Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this device. You need to begin by opening Tab menu. Now look for lock orientation icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, now my shortcut is see-through. That means that auto rotation is on, but you can always turn it off by tapping on the same icon again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. Then scroll all the way down and click on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!